Welcome back to How to Channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button because we are sharing about how to do everything, and the most thing is, we post a video every day. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about how to repair a deep scratch on car. Number 1. Wash and dry the damaged area before you attempt to repair a scratch in your car's exterior. Tips: to save time, you can also wipe the scratch with rubbing alcohol to remove dust and dirt particles. Number 2. Pick up a scratch repair kit from your local automotive supplier. Number 3. Apply a small amount of scratch remover to the damaged area. Squeeze the polish onto your buffing pad or a clean microfiber cloth rather than applying it directly to the car itself. Number 4. Work the scratch remover using your buffing pad. Number 5. Use a clean microfiber cloth to remove excess polish. Number 6. Survey the scratch and repeat if necessary. Number 7. Clean the scratch with rubbing alcohol to remove dirt or wax. Number 8. Fill the scratch with glazing putty if you can see bare metal underneath. Number 9. Let the putty cure for 2 to 3 minutes. As it cures, it will harden into a solid inside the scratch. Number 10. Wipe the scratch with liquid paint leveler to remove excess putty. Number 11. Apply a thin line of touch-up paint to the scratch using a fine brush. Number 12. Allow the paint to dry for 8 to 12 hours. Number 13. Seal the painted scratch using a clear coat applicator. Number 14. Wet sand the repaired scratch smooth with 1500-2000 grit sandpaper. Thanks for watching. Now, I want you to hit the subscribe button, and smash the like button. By doing that, you are making me happy. See you in the next video.